Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a collab here with Jason Derulo, DJ Lucas Beat Sia. So this is kind of a three-headed monster. Not really, but anyway, it's a great collab there. And they do You Can Do Anything. That's the title of the song. And that's the same mindset I have, especially when it comes to play guitar, because this is not your typical guitar song. But you can do almost anything on guitar anyway, so let's try this out. We're gonna use a capo high up here on the 6th fret, and with that we have four famous chords: A minor, F, C, and G. They are really like into each other when it comes to this combo. So let's go into these chords, starting with A minor. So that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F here, which is a bar chord, so place your index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord is the C, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. That will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so that will be the chord progression throughout the song. We're going to play one string around per chord. So let's go into the strumming, and you can do this in different ways. Many times you can. Sometimes it's very fixed, especially when it comes to guitar songs. You can really hear the guitar playing there, and you can pick up the strumming. But this time it's more of a beat, and you try to simulate that. So this is my take on it. I want to mention that because sometimes I get comments, oh, how can you play like that? And why do you do like this? And yeah, sometimes there are no right or wrongs. You just have to cover it, so to speak, on a guitar. So this is not like your typical guitar song. Anyway, just to want to get that out of my head and mention it. And now let's go into the actual strumming. So if you grab the first chord, the A minor, you have down, up, down, 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 down. That's how I would play this, and that is how the beat goes also. It's pretty much the rhythm in the song. So that is one round. So I start with down, and then up, down, down, then down, down. And the last two downs here, I try to separate them so that first, out of these last two downs, I play more on the bass strings, and the last, I play on the higher strings down there. So that is one string round. So a couple rounds. Play 4 string rounds, and that's what you're gonna do as well, but you're gonna switch chords. So you're gonna play in the same order we learned them. So 1 on A minor, 1 on F, 1 on C, and 1 on G. And that works throughout the song. So a couple of rounds goes like this. Alright guys, so you can do anything. That is what you're gonna play, and I believe in you guys. So try this out. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.